Hi, this is Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm delighted to see you again. If this is your first time here, welcome. And please know that I have a big back catalogue of videos should you want to check out anything else that I've done. So I made these little books a while ago, and if I can find a link, I will attach the link in the description box. Now, I've decided that all I'm going to do is what I'm calling 10-minute art. So I'm going to try and do a page or a couple of pages within 10 minutes. And the whole idea is to get back into the swing of making videos and really to get back into the swing of making art, because I haven't done either for quite some time. I won't bore you with all the details of what's been happening, but as we all know, life happens, things come along, gets in the, I don't want to say in the way, but priorities sometimes have to change. And as much as I wanted to be making videos, I had to pack up a lot of the stuff in my studio to make space for other things. I had to pack up some of the room in which I do my editing, and it just made it very difficult both to film videos and indeed to edit videos. And in fact, this video is simply filmed on my old iPhone because it was easier to set it up. It actually took me longer to set up than it took me to film this, because I'd kind of forgotten how to do things. And even when I came to editing, I was like, what do I have to do here again? So I've not even started on the thumbnail yet. Anyway, this really is just about trying to get back into the swing of things. Now, you know, times are hard in a number of ways, and I'm not going to go into all of it because you all know what's going on in the world. And there was so much going on here in my life and everything going on out there around the world that I kind of switched off from social media a bit, and I kind of deleted some messenger apps. I restarted them, and I can see I've got quite a number of messages, so I will be getting back to people as and when I get the time to do so. But thank you all for your messages. Thank you for just thinking about me. That was very kind of you. And I'm sorry I've not been able to reply before now. And the other thing I want to say is thank you to those who have been watching my videos during my absence in terms of making new content. So yeah, that means a lot to me too, including and especially those that went on to leave comments. So thank you so much. If I can, I'm going to try and put up a video like this every week. I want to try and fill up this little book that I'd made some time ago. I'm not going to go into the detail of what I'm doing. You know, it's not a tutorial anyway. I don't feel able to kind of make tutorials or anything of that sort at the moment. It really is just taking some scraps, sticking them down, using the most basic of other supplies. I couldn't even find my glue stick today, so I'm just using that other glue. I think I grabbed some 3-in-1 in a minute. And I've got a few fabric scraps. I don't even know where I've put my boxes of scraps, my scrap papers, but you know, I have enough there to keep me going. I don't need a lot. Even just dragging out a few little things like this, my space already looks like the proverbial has gone off in there. But you know, it's not what it's about. It's just about getting back to being creative and trying to make some videos. I do of course have lots of projects unfinished, and at some point I'm going to try and get back to them. I want to get back to doing my scroll. It just got put on hold. I just couldn't do it for a number of reasons. So the first page here took me basically no time at all. The fact that there was some background down actually helped, and I actually will go on to do a second page. I try to coordinate them enough so that when they're sitting side by side, it looks kind of more like a spread rather than it just being a kind of simple add-on by doing the second page. But you know, it is what it is. Oh, I'm still a coffee addict, so I will always have coffee on the go. So I don't think there's much more I can really say other than I'm glad to be back. I hope I can keep it going. You know, life does keep happening, so I just never know from day to day, sometimes hour to hour, what's happening in my life and what I can do beyond what I need to do. So I hope that all makes sense. As I say, I won't go into all the details. The words I typed there are just be, and sometimes that's all it's about. It's just about being present, being in the moment. So just be. If you're here, I hope you can take something from this. As I say, I'm delighted that you're here and watching. I'm going to keep all of these to around about 10 minutes. They might sometimes run a little bit longer. They might sometimes run a little bit shorter. But the idea is 10 minutes art and just making sure that I'm creative. So I'll sign off now, put a little bit of music on to the end, but please know I appreciate you all being here. So thanks so much for watching. Just a few more minutes to go. Hope to see you again next week. Bye for now.